I have a BeeBeeCraft haul to share with you guys. And I did write everything down this time. So BeeBeeCraft does come from overseas. So I put in my order on March 12th. March 13th it shipped out. And March 21st it arrived to my house. So that way it'll give you guys kind of an idea of how long it takes, because I know you guys like to know that information. And I do have a coupon code with them. It is Nicole20. That will save you 10% off of your purchase, including sale items. So let's dive on in. I am so stoked to have received this. When I host swaps, I like having an ATC card included. I just find it really easy to store and have everybody's information like right on hand. I even did the like ATC card challenge for Sunny's birthday. So I love that there is this giant kit right here. It comes from Globeland. And look, how cool are these stamps? So you can title your card, the artist, contact info, date, and number of. So these are really cool. Oh, I like that this has like just the pieces in here. So ATC, artist trading card, contact, date, title. So this is like loose instead of like being lined up like this. I really like that. And then if you want to do some coins instead of like the card, you can do some coins down here as well. And then there's like some numbers, some butterflies, a little oval. This is awesome. And it was so affordable, you guys. It was $2.85. Like, how awesome is this? This looks really wide though. Let me see. Oh yeah, so it does come in at 2.5 by the 3.5. So it will fit perfect. It looked a little large to me, but nope. It's measuring in correctly. So absolutely love this stamp set. Really, really happy with that. I also got this stamp set again by Globeland as well. And it's just some like numbers. And I really like the flowers down here as well. So just really pretty. That was $2.04. I wish there was a die set. I need to go back and look. I didn't see one, but I would really like a die set. If they had the matching dies, I'll have to go double check, but I don't remember seeing that. This was $9.79. And I want to start doing some spring crafting. So these are the bottoms of the flowers. And here is the top of the flowers. So you can mix and match or keep them like the same color. And then you have matching beads right here. Now these do have a large hole that they will fit on Pokie tools and possibly beadable pens. Let me pull one out. So I know some of you like to know what size beads I get, and I try to remember to tell you guys when I remember, but I have my handy dandy little bee sizer here. So these are, I think they're gonna be a 10. Yep, these are a 10. So size 10 millimeter beads for those. And also included are these little loops right here, like little circles. So let me see if it will fit on our pen. If not, for sure on the Pokie tool. Oh no, it is. Look at that. Okay, super cute. Definitely loving this set right now. Now that I know I can do some Pokie tools and some pins, I'm already getting some ideas for that. So love that. Let's see, what else did I get in my bag here? I got quite a bit of items this time. Oh, this was really cute. So I love vintage. I love like postage stamps. That's why I ended up with like this stamp set right here, because it just reminded me of like vintage. And like I said, I love that stuff. So these are cool. Look at these. Are stamped dies. So you could go ahead and cut this background, and then you cut this, and then you just glue it right on top. So it's like super easy. Everything's measured out for you already. So I love that. Oh, this way. This is a little bird. Super cute, right? So I will cut those out and share with you guys what those look like. I also got some bookmarkers. Like I said, for my spring stuff, I was thinking about maybe doing like bumblebee stuff. So this was $3.60. It comes with the tassels. It comes with the little pockets already for your bookmarker. And it comes with your little acrylic bookmarker. Like, look at how stinking cute these are. So this does come with a film on it just to keep it protected. So you are going to need to go ahead and peel that back. So I kind of just like work in the corner, and you see I got it with the Pokie tool right here. That little flap right there. So then you could just go ahead and peel it on back, and you'll expose your acrylic right there. And it's nice and shiny. Love that. Let's see if there's one on the back. There usually is. Yep, there's another one on the back, so you're gonna have to peel the back piece off as well. Love that. So we have 2 bees and then like 2 floral ones. Very, very cute. Super excited to be playing with those. And like I said, you can just put it right here in your little pocket and send it out in some happy mail. I got this bag of beads. Let's see. So this bag of beads was $4.07. Yeah, $4.07. So I thought it matched perfectly with this one right here. So that way I can mix and match my beads. And these come in at a 12. So 12 beads for those. Super cute. I don't remember how many come in this bag though, and the packaging doesn't say. So those two go perfect together. I love when I could buy, you know, a bunch of things that are all similar. See, this kit was $6.74. And if I didn't mention already, I will leave a link down below to their website, and I will link all of these products. I'll also include my coupon code Nicole20, and that does work on sale items as well. And they do offer free shipping when you spend $25 or more, which is amazing. So, oh, these were like little bunnies. So it's to make earrings, but I make chunky charms out of these. So you do have the earring findings if you want to do that. There are some bow connectors as well. And then you get just a variety of bunny charms. So if you want to use these for Easter, you could go ahead and do that. You can use them just because they are really cute. These have like the cherry blossoms to them. Oh, that one's a cat. Really, really stinking cute. Got some more bunnies over here. If you're doing an Alice in Wonderland project, these would be really cute for that as well. Here's some more bows. Really cute. Some more little cherry blossom. And then this one has like the little planet. So those two can go together and match really cute. There is a tiny little tassel, a petal, some white beads. There are some more findings over here. So you have some gold hoops. You have some eye pins, and there is chain in here, and also there are some jump rings. So you have like your full kit right here that you can go ahead and work with and either make some earrings or make some charms, some little bead dangles, you know, whatever your imagination can come up with. It's great. Everything is right there for you to get started. I also got, oh, these are really cute too. These were $4.61, and I like how it came in a baggie, and then there's bubble wrap, and then my big packaging that it came in bubble wrap and then another envelope. So they do protect your items, which I absolutely love. But look, I got some more glass flowers. So of course only pink falls out, right? So we are going to wire wrap these to look just like that. How stinking cute is that? And there are all the colors in here. So we have pink, yellow, this purple that turns to blue, red, and there is like kind of like an orangey color down here, just purple to white. So really, really cute. And it comes with a little bottom leaf part. Love those. I also got for $8.64. These are to make some beadable keychains here. So this one came in a variety of colors. They did have just like plain gold and plain silver, you know, or you could buy by color, but I like the mix pack better. So here is what these look like. And then you unscrew it. And then you'll go ahead and put all your beads on here. And then you can put this back on. If you wanted to do like an embellishment book, you can also just hang this off of the spine. You don't have to put like the loop for your keys if you don't want to. So there is a bunch of different possibilities for these. I love that you have all the colors. So pink, yellow, light blue, dark blue, red, white, orange. This like teal color, a green. Did I say purple? And it comes its own little storage case, which I absolutely love. I love that it comes already all packaged. Like this one comes with your package. And then once you use everything, you can use it for your storage or go ahead and decorate the lid and then send it out in a swap. Is really cute as well. Okay, down to my last item here. So this was more expensive. Ask me why I got this one. I have no idea. But I was reading my order when it came in, and I didn't realize that they were supposedly 18 karat gold plated, which I thought was interesting. And they were $7.90 for those. So this is what they look like. I mean, they're gorgeous. Ask me why I got gold plated ones. I have no idea. I must have just put in gold, you know, bead loops, and this is what came up, and I was like, okay, add to cart. So yeah, these are fancy, like very fancy. Usually I don't get fancy stuff like that. So I'm really happy with my order. Like I said, I order from them all the time. Their stuff is great. So stay tuned. Definitely come back. I'll be sharing what I make with all of these items. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.